Today's video regarding HP DeskJet 2655 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan. So copy is very easy. So just switch on the printer and also load A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray. Now open the top scanner lid and we place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner and close the lid and click the copy button. So you can do black or color. So click it once and just wait for the printer to do the copy. So here we can see the copy is easy, so we can directly do that with the printer. Now to do the printing and scanning, we need to connect this printer wirelessly with our device. For example, I'm going to use the iPhone today, and we also need to connect the printer with it. For that we are going to use the Wi-Fi Direct, which is an inbuilt Wi-Fi system of this printer. So we are going to activate the Wi-Fi Direct. So let's go to the display panel. On the display panel, just above the tricolor indicator, you see there is a small icon that is for the Wi-Fi Direct. In case you don't see it, just click on the wireless button once. It will activate the Wi-Fi Direct. Also we need to print the password of this printer so that we can use it. So we are going to press and hold the wireless button and the information button, and it will send a command for the printer to print a page. So here we can see it has printed the printer configuration page. So once the printer prints this HP network configuration page, in that you have to look for the Wi-Fi Direct option, and under that you see the Wi-Fi Direct password and the name. So password is written on the top here, and this is the name of our printer. Now go to your iPhone and open the Wi-Fi. So go to the setting and then Wi-Fi. Once you open the Wi-Fi, you will see the name of the printer is available here. That is Direct 7F HP DeskJet 2600 series. Here we have to enter the password as it was printed on the sheet. So it's a universal password you can use, 12345678. Click on join. So once you see the confirmation here like it is connected, we go and open the HP Smart app. If you don't have this app, you can just download from the App Store. Now to add the printer, click on the plus button on the top of the screen, and on the next screen you see the printer is available here, HP DeskJet 2600 series. Click on that. It will add up the printer automatically and it will display the information regarding it. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning. To do a print, we can go to the print document section. You can select photo, PDF, any file you want, and once you are ready, just click on this file, and here on the next screen you see it says print. Click on that and it will display the name of the printer. So give the print command and just wait for the printer to print the page. So here we can see, so this way we can do the wireless printing. Also we can do the scanning with this printer wirelessly. For that, again go to the home screen of your app and look for the printer scan option. Now open the top scanner lid and place a page you want to copy. For example, this page I'm going to scan here. Go to your iPhone and click this blue icon here. It will start scanning. Here you can save this file as a PDF, so you can just click on the save button, and then on the next screen you can change the name of the file, change the format if you want JPEG or PDF, and click on the save button, and then it will take you to a location where you can save it. Thanks for watching.